All right, question number 2. How much time does it take for a 450 watt heater to produce 4,580 joules of heat? So there's 2 questions here. That's the first thing to realize, right? There's question number 1, which is this. Question 2 is this, right? Okay, so let's plan accordingly. Here, I'm going to divide my screen, right? So the first one is power is 450 watts, right? And our work, we want to know how much time it takes to do 4,580 joules of work, right? Okay, so our little triangle is work, power, time, right? Okay, we want to know how much time it takes. So cover up time. Time is work divided by power, right? Which makes sense. It's how much you have to do divided by how fast, the rate at which you're doing it, right? Okay, so our time will be work divided by power. It's going to be 4,580 joules divided by 450 watts. Remember, a watt is a joule per second, right? So it's 4,580 joules divided by 450 joules per second, right? It's a bit like saying, if I pay you $450 an hour, right, how long will it take you to earn $4,580? It's not that much time. Let's see, 4,580 divided by 450. And I get the time is 10.1777, etc., right? Seconds, which would be about 10.2 seconds with 3 digits, right? And then in the second question, right, we got the same formula, right? Only where I'm telling you the power is 450 watts. That's 450 joules per second, right? And then in 32 seconds, we want to know the work. We don't know the work, but we know the time is going to be 32 seconds, right? And again, we're going to do this. We want to know the work. So we cover up the work, and that's power times time, right? Makes sense, right? It's 450 joules every second for 32 seconds, right? I think we can figure out it's a lot of joules, right? So 450 watts times 32 is 14,400 joules of work. So just keep in mind, don't forget to answer both questions on this, right? There will be 2 questions, so take your time, right? It's power is work over time, right? And then just use the triangle, or use your understanding of rates. It's sort of a basic rate question.